This is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. This week we were inspired by Michelle's Manis I'm going to try, and I do stress the word try, to attempt to recreate a nail I've seen her do on Instagram, where she kind of marbled with the jelly water paints and the opaques. So I'm going to see if I can kind of do it myself. I did some practicing and it kind of turned out okay. I have buffed and filed the nails. I put a base coat on them. I'm going to go in with some... This is matte blue neon water paint. And I'm just going to paint this on the nail. And if you try to put this on without buffing the nail or anything, it's going to slide right off the nail. So, whoops. Whoopsie. A little bit too much yellow here. A little bit too much yellow. I'm going to try to wipe some of it off there. I bet you I'm not even in frame, am I? So you just swirl it back and forth. I'm sorry that I wasn't in frame. So I'm doing this one over here. These are going to air dry. There's no sticking them in the lamp, unfortunately. You gotta air dry and then you can top coat. So this one, let's see if I can try and stay in frame here. I'm gonna paint it on the nail. Paint, 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 paint. Wipe my brush off. Now okay. This was the pearl opaque yellow water paint. This is the jelly red rose water paint, and I'm going to try to do the same thing and swirl. And my bottles are getting clogged, which is not a good thing. Get me a paper clip here. So we're going to just drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Get our dotting tool. And we're just going to go back and forth over the nail. And it does give you this really cool effect. I think I just had some hobble and bobble. There we go. My Archon mount, I got it clamped to the back of my desk. I got both that and then the freestanding on top of my desk, which I don't have room for yet. I'll make room though. But right now we're trying this one out. I still have to get me a tablet. So we'll see how that one goes down the road. I'm going to try to do some jellies. I don't know how it's going to work. I didn't try this in my demo. And then give me some fuchsia. These things are getting clogged left and right. I don't know if anybody else is having problems with their bottles clogging, but I am. Big time. Thank God for this paper clip. So I'm going to put me some of this down the nail. And swirl, swirl, swirl. Maybe if I'd had a white background, that would have looked a lot better. but I didn't. So, rule of thumb for that one, we could, Facebook, could have done that one differently. Let me pause, I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. I did go and put a coat of Diva in a Bottle White here for 60. We are going to go in with some blue, and this is pink fuchsia, and this is the matte neon blue. We're just going to put some blue dots along the nail. Whoops. Put them randomly because we're going to try and swirl. I don't know how this is going to look. Whoops. Yeah, you got a little bit too much there. Just going to take the fat end. And you don't even have to have these opaque. You can swirl them about. Wipe off the end of your dotting tool. And I'm going to take my finger and do that to bring it to the sides, to the end. This is something I have seen Robin Moses do many times. Yeah, this didn't turn out like I wanted. But there we go. You can't really tell it's over the white. But like I said, these have to set and air dry. So here are some ones I did earlier that are dried. I'm going to top coat these now and see how they look. Put all my caps back on. I want to thank everyone who's been giving me watch time in full view, who's been running my playlist. I know Princess Nails by Diana, Catherine Ford, Nail Crazy Mama, Tammy's Manny's, BRC Nails, Helen, you have been a great asset as well, running my videos. I want to thank everybody. I am at like 1,700 now. I've gained like 200 watch hours and then some. So I want to thank everybody for that. It means a great deal to me. My subscriber count is at 833. I need to get to 1,000 in order to be monetized, as well as have 4,000 watch hours. That's why it is so very important for everybody to watch the videos in full. Not just mine, but anybody that's trying to become monetized. The ladies that I just named off, some of them are already over their 1,000 mark, but they don't have the watch time. So look them up, search for them. I know they're already on your scope. Whoops. Give them a full view. Tell them I sent you. Tell them you are here to support. In full view. So we have top coated. I think these are cute. I love the way this one turned out. We're going to pop those in the lamp for 60. There is a nail. The very first one I did, and I don't know where I put it. And I just love how it turned out, but don't know what I did with it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. I'd greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Not just random. You'll be up to date with with everything I do. I would greatly appreciate it. Remember, I'm trying to reach my 1K this year also. Yeah, a few giveaways. Got my giveaway going on for international. We'll draw on June 13th. Where it is for 2 gift cards to Charlie's. I will draw 2 lucky winners. They will each get 1 gift card to Charlie's Nail Art Supply in the UK. Let me see if I can get these out of the lamp. And here we go. Do definitely love this one. Not so much this one, not so much that one. I don't know. To each their own, it is what it is. All that good stuff. So here are my attempts at marbling with the SheModern products. There's no decals this week. Just trying to play with the pigments. Just playing around with the jellies, the opaques, the mattes. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm sure somebody's got some advice. I really tried hard not to be heavy-handed. But I did not recreate technically what Michelle did. Hers looked way, way, way better. Way, way, way better. So look Michelle's Manis up on Instagram and you will be able to see her picture that she did. Way better than what I did here. Well, this draws a conclusion to our video for this Saturday. Try this yourselves. DM me on Instagram, tag me in it, let me know that you did so I can see it. I really like that. Really, really would like that. Here, I was trying to think real quick. What next? Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Enter the giveaway if you are international. I will be starting a US giveaway probably later on today, so keep your eyes peeled for that. It will be for some glitter mixes from the nail candy shop. It will be sponsored by her, the Glitter Queen. And I appreciate that as well. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.